Welcome back everybody. Today is finally Porsche Meet Day again. We are going to the Sportec Openhouse like last year. That was a blast, so much fun and really great cars. Hopefully this year is nice as well, but yeah, didn't expect less from a Porsche Meet. So let's go there and for you, enjoy the video. We arrived at the Openhouse. You can tell a few nice cars. Here, first of all, 991 GT3 RS, beside the Cayman GT4 RS. Really nice carbon. And also the printed on Porsche emblem. Some rosy gold RS wheels. Yeah, nice wing game. It's pretty awesome. Another two GT3 RS, 991 and 992. Have a look at the wing game again. Really awesome. 992 wing is crazy big. Every time I see one, I think that's crazy. It's almost too much. But yeah, it's not a street car. Yeah, almost street car. Street race car. Let's come to the front. Crazy. Like those cars. And what we have here? Noise. Here we have an old school 911. Really not good with the old school game. I think it's a 993 maybe. But yeah, nice interior. Is it a 993? I really don't know. Sorry guys. 911 GT3. That's the 911R. See that? Nice. Oh, and it's a manual. Safety manuals. Really nice. For my tasting, please without the green stripes. The rest of the cars, gorgeous. Really love those wheels. Oh my god. GT4 RS, some sort of an icy blue color. It's a nice interior. Love the matte carbon look in here. Also nice. 997.2. Back to it again. Nice wing, nice curves. Look at that. Perfection in stock form. Looks like this. 997 GT3. I feel like I only film the GT3s. And another GT3 RS. But this one is so gorgeous. Awesome sound. And here we have 911, 992 GT3. Really awesome color. This is shark blue. If I ever have the chance to buy one of those, it would be in this color. Look at that. Awesome. Also love the vents on the hood. Crazy. Next to it, Martini Racing 911. Awesome. Lower 997 turbo, some BBS Le Mans. Nice, really nice car. Here are the restored cars of Sportec. You saw previously the other cars they worked on. That I couldn't talk because of the music, but here's also music. I try it so this video don't get copyrighted. Here's the Sub 1000 911. Nice. Let's have a look at the front. They did a great job on those cars. Another GT3 RS. I think this one is the car from the YouTuber Cars with Luke. Looks like it. A really awesome spec. He did well with this, really well. Now I've seen everything that I wanted to see. Let's get out of this blistering hot weather, go something to eat, and yeah, let's enjoy the B-roll. See you in next one. Bye.